If you've spent any time with 3D printing, you know the frustration. You finally get the settings right, but then you're limited to one color, or worse, the print fails 10 hours in because of a leveling issue. You're likely wondering if it's finally possible to get professional-grade, multicolor prints without needing an engineering degree to set it up. The Creality K2 Plus Combo is essentially designed to stop the tinkering and start the actual printing. The main problem it solves is the complexity of multi-material projects. With the included CFS, that's the Creality filament system, you can load up multiple colors or materials at once. The machine handles the color switching automatically, so you can print complex, multicolored models that used to take days of manual work. Plus, with a massive 350mm build volume, you aren't just limited to printing trinkets. You can actually print functional parts or large-scale prototypes in one go. Speed is the other major factor. At 600mm per second, it's lightning fast. The real benefit here isn't just going fast, it's that you can finish a print that used to take all day in just a couple of hours. The full auto leveling and the next-gen direct drive extruder mean you spend way less time adjusting knobs and more time watching your design come to life. The dual AI cameras are a great safety net. They monitor your prints in real time and will actually alert you or pause the job if something goes wrong, saving you a lot of wasted filament. Things to consider before you buy. This isn't a beginner machine in the sense that it's physically large and requires a decent-sized desk or workbench. Because of the high speeds and the multicolor system, there's a bit of a learning curve to understanding how to slice your files properly for multicolor output. Also, high-speed printing can be louder than standard machines, so if you're planning to keep this in your bedroom or a quiet office, you might want to rethink the placement. So, who is this really for? This is perfect for the serious hobbyist, the prototype designer, or the creator who is tired of fighting with their printer and wants something that feels like a modern appliance. If you're just starting out and want to print simple, single-color parts, this is likely more machine than you need. Is it worth the money? If you value your time and want the ability to print complex, colorful, and large-scale objects reliably, then yes, it's a powerful investment. You're paying for the convenience of automation and the speed that brings your ideas to life much faster. If this looks like the right fit for your workspace, I've left the Amazon link in the description. And if this review helped you decide, please hit that like button, share it with a friend who's into 3D printing, and subscribe to the channel for more honest, no-fluff gear reviews.